Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a simple Barbie inspired mani using dip powders from Nellie Bellle. So we're diving right into this mani with the most beautiful pink ever. It is Lotus Nectar. It is one of my favorite pinks from Nellie Belle's, and I just felt like I seen a lot of bright Barbie manis and I really wanted to pull in some lightness to a Barbie mani, so a light pink and then a whole bunch of sparkle. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and then we're going to add a little bit of an accent nail with some cute little flower stickers. So that's what we're doing for today's mani. It's going to be super simple, but yet we have like this beautiful delicate Barbie pink, and then we're going to tie in some sparkle with jelly sandals. So let's dive into this mani process and then I'll pop back in just a few moments.
Stay here, no, ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
Alright, so I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. Now we're going to add some super simple nail art to this mani by incorporating flowers with a nail sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a layer of gel base, cure that for 30 seconds, and then that gel base that's cured is just giving that nail a little bit of extra tacky surface to help this sticker lay really flat to the nail. Now I'm just putting one sticker over there right by that cuticle line area, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the silicone tool and just gently press down that sticker to really make sure that it is laying flat with the nail. And then we're going to go ahead and add one more flower to this nail. I told you this mani was going to be super simple, but incorporating stickers is just a really quick, easy way to enhance your mani and just give it a little bit of extra pop of color, dimension, and they're super easy to use. So I'm just flattening out that sticker, and then to seal in these stickers, I'm going to go in right away with a layer of gel base just to go ahead and cure that right away, just to make sure that those stickers don't accidentally lift up or anything like that. And then to finish up this mani, I'm going to go ahead and apply a layer of gel base to the other nails, and then once we have the gel base on the rest of the nails that I did off camera, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. And then to finish up this mani, we are going in with a layer of gel top coat, and you're going to really see this glitter from Jelly Sandals come to life with this really shiny top coat. Now the product that I'm using today from Bling Galleria, it is HEMA free, but check out this shine and this finish mani. I did cure that for 60 seconds. Isn't that sparkle from Jelly Sandals like amazing? And the name of Jelly Sandals is absolutely perfect, but I really like this mani. I think it's super simple. And I wanted to do a pink Barbie inspired mani, but I wanted to do a more softer side of pink, and this glitter just speaks for itself. It's amazing. And then we added a little simple nail art with just some stickers that just really added a touch of color to this mani. But I really love how these powders performed. They are super pigmented, and I cannot stop staring at that Jelly Sandals. It is everything. So I hope you enjoyed today's mani. I will link everything that we use in today's video in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next upload.